I drink a cup of coffee. I watch TV for some time. I read a book before bed. I talk to my friends on the phone. I cook dinner for my family. Can you help me, please? I drink when I feel thirsty. I visit my grandparents on weekend. I like to play with my friends. I take a nap in afternoon. I enjoy eating ice cream. Can you give me a hand, please? I like eating chocolate and cakes. I wake up early in the morning. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I wait patiently in a queue. I apologize when I make a mistake. I listen to my favorite songs in the car. He carry an umbrella when it rains. I do yoga every morning. She wears sunglasses on sunny days. I write my to-do list before sleeping. She locked the door before leaving home. I eat vegetables to stay fit. I clean my shoes before wearing them. I take care of my pet every day. He wear a jacket when it is cold. He always says thank you. She helps her little brother with homework. She keeps her home neat and clean. She goes shopping on Sunday. He always greet her teachers. She plays the piano beautifully. He wear clean clothes every day. I take deep breaths to relax. I water the plants every morning. She opens the window for fresh air. I use a comb to brush my hair. I drink hot soup in winter. I send messages to my friends. I always pray before sleeping. She sit in the park and enjoy nature. She exercise to stay fit. I hug my parents every day. She arrange her clothes in the cupboard. I put my books back on the shelf. He likes to paint and draw. I walk to the bus stop every morning. I use handkerchief when I sneeze. I take a shower and get dressed.